A street lamp, a dark night. It does not give light. It gives a sound. What does it say? Hello and welcome. Today we have a short, strange story for your A1 English level called The Talking Lamp. Leo is a baker. He wakes up very early. He goes to his shop at 4 a.m. The town is quiet. The streets are empty. On the road to the bakery, there is a street lamp. The lamp is very old and tall. It is next to a big, closed park. Every morning, the street lamp is not working. It is dark. But every morning, Leo hears a sound near the lamp. The sound is small, like a whisper. Leo is thinking, is it the wind? Is it a cat? I do not see anything. One day, Leo tells his friend Mia. Mia is a coffee shop owner. Mia, the old lamp is talking to me, Leo says. Mia laughs. Leo, you are tired. Lamps do not talk, they give light. Leo shakes his head. No, Mia, I am serious. I hear the sound. It is saying my name. Leo! Leo! Mia thinks about it. She says, maybe the lamp is a ghost. You must stop and listen one morning. Leo is afraid, but he is also curious. The next morning, Leo goes to his shop. He stops near the old lamp. It is dark. He stands still. He is listening. The sound comes again. Leo, Leo, look down. Leo looks down at the ground. There is something shiny on the pavement. It is a small, old silver key. Leo takes the key. He looks up at the lamp. It is quiet now. Leo arrives at his bakery. He opens the door. He sees a small, locked wooden box on a high shelf. He has never opened this box. His grandfather left it for him. Leo takes the silver key. He puts the key into the lock. The lock opens easily. Inside the box, there is a letter. The letter is from his grandfather. The letter says, Dear Leo, I know you are listening to the street. The lamp is an old friend. This key is for your future. The money is inside the box. Open a bigger shop. Start a new life. Be brave. Grandfather. Inside the box, there is much money. Leo smiles. The lamp was not a ghost. It was a voice from his past. Leo opens a big new bakery. He is very happy. Every morning, he waves at the old street lamp. The lamp is still dark, but Leo knows that his grandfather is listening. Thank you for reading The Talking Lamp. This simple story helped us practice describing things and using the present simple tense. Here are some new words from our story. Baker, whisper, serious, curious, pavement, shelf, waving. Today, we focused on the present simple to talk about routine and facts, and the present continuous to talk about actions happening now. Present simple, routine. Leo wakes up very early. The town is quiet. Present continuous, happening now. Mia is laughing. Grandfather is listening. Try to describe your job or your favorite hobby using the present simple. If you want more stories and lessons for A1 English, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who is starting English. We will see you next time for another story. And remember, always listen to the quiet voices. Bye.